it's Lana here. Welcome back to my channel, Lana Summer. If you guys are new, make sure you subscribe, and if you have already been here before, then welcome back. Today I wanted to give you guys some really lazy hairstyles. You requested this video because some of you are obviously lazy like me. Leave me a comment and tell me which one of these is your favorite. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, and let's go ahead and jump into it. So in my little YouTube book, YouTube Space London, I've written down all the hairstyles. Not gonna need a lot because obviously if you're in a rush or if you are just feeling really lazy, then I'm not gonna give you some sleek. These hairstyles literally take no time at all. You may need a toothbrush. This is fine because you can put this in your purse. I've got a couple hair ties. I got a big scrunchie. I got some clips. Clippity clip. And I got some bobby pins. More pins please, waiter. Basically for the first hairstyle, you kind of want to recreate the look that we had at the start of this video. So you want to have that messy, just out of bed look, but cuter. So what you're going to want to do is like flip all your hair out. These look best when they're high up on top of your head. Like the higher on your head, the better. So just hold it there. Before you tie it up, make sure you take some pieces of hair out. Not too much, like you don't want to look like Big Wolf on campus, you know. They're not sideburns, they're just like a little bit, cute little bit. And then what I like to do before tying it around is I pull it like this, I twist it like one time, and then I just wrap it around, and that just helps to keep in like the loose pieces of hair and like the flyaways and stuff. And then you can put this down like once, or take a smaller hair tie, which is more likely to hold it in. Now you probably want to like puff this out, make it bigger, pull some curls out, make it messy. Make sure the curls that you take out are cute looking curls, because like we curly girls know that not every curl was created equal. Some curls are different. No, the ones that are ugly, they gotta go back. So just pin down the ones that you don't want, keep the ones out that you want. I can't find any cute curls right now. Last thing that you may need is some water. So I like to keep my water in a little spray bottle. You can go along and you can like get these bits at the back of your neck, get those wet, because then what you can do when you pull them down is you can turn them into a cute curl. Like this one's already going. It knows what it's doing. It's done this before. And then you want to go ahead and do some baby hairs if you want this to look like truly messy and truly like you just woke up. Obviously your baby hairs would be all skew-whiffed up. So for this, like I don't even think that I'm going to use any gel or anything on them. I personally really like the fuzzy baby hair look. I know that's not really in style. Like lots of people prefer to have like the really slick down baby hairs. And if you really want to, and if you're not as lazy as you think you are, then just go ahead and put a little bit of edge control. Do what you can with them. So this is the first one. It's probably my go-to lazy hairstyle. This is what I always end up doing. And to be honest, I probably even do it lazier than this. I don't even bother like fixing up my curls and stuff like that. So on a scale of like 1 to 10 of how lazy this is, today I've done it like a little bit extra. In real life, I go even lazier than this, and it's really easy to go lazier. Literally anybody can go as lazy as they want with this hairstyle. It's really aspirational. These next two are kind of similar, okay, but I'm going to give you two different variations. You can tell me which one you prefer. The first one is absolutely perfect for anybody lazy out there, and it's so fast that you're going to have to pay close attention, otherwise you're going to miss it. Okay, you paying attention? Hair, sides, grab them, bring them up, grippy clip is in, hair's done. Hair's done! Told you it was fast! So these pieces that are clipped up, you want to just like play with them, tease them a little bit, bring them forward just to make it look like your hair has got tons of volume, and it makes it look like this hairstyle took forever when literally it took 10 seconds. Now this hairstyle is literally the easiest thing in the world. I like it because it's faster than a half up, half down. If you wanted to do like a real half up and half down, you'd have to like detangle your hair and you'd have like separate it and stuff like that. And that ends up taking a little bit of time. So this, literally, it's so fast. Second variation of this goes like this. So you want to keep this same top section of hair. Takes a little bit longer because you've got to separate it from the rest of your hair. So this is why like we're not really doing top knots and stuff like that. Curly hair likes to get tangled, and tangles mean time, effort. So we're trying to keep it like the tangle potential low. So when you have this top section, you can tie it. It doesn't have to be super tight. Actually, it helps if it's not super tight. And then when you have it like this, you can pull it back a little bit, keep it loose, and then you want to separate it in the middle, and you want to push it through the gap. And there you go, you kind of have like this cute top knot. People are looking at it, they're not entirely sure how you did it, but they just know it looks cute. Like it? Because I like it. I think it looks cute. This next hairstyle is literally one that I wear all the time. It's like I do this on the train. It's one of them hairstyles. This is a little getting ready on the train session kind of hairstyle. So what I like to do is I take the whole half of hair from like the smaller side of my head. I separate that comes around. Then you want to take a very small piece from this side as well. You want to leave some hair out like this to frame your face and to help this look cute. And then with your pieces of hair, you're going to want to braid them. When I do this, I like to spray here. And I can kind of turn my edges into some cute little curls. Like instead of laying them flat or anything like that, I try to keep it like kind of messy looking and kind of boho. If you're trying to do a really lazy look, then why not go for a messy boho look? Like that just completely plays into the whole mood. So for this look, you're gonna want to take a section of hair like this big. Just turn this whole thing into a big chunky braid. So you need to separate it into 3 bits. Just go ahead and braid them. So then when you have your braid, go ahead and literally just tie your hair back. Put the braid in with the ponytail. You can wrap it around the ponytail. You can pin it down. This next one is gonna be really cute and kind of playful. This section, just go ahead, split it in half again, and then start twisting it. Like this. Pull some hair out around your face. And just do the same thing on this side. So this is like easier than a braid, because for a braid you need to split your hair into more sections, which does take more time if you're having to think about tangles. And with this you're literally just twisting. So that is number 6, and I think it is super cute. So you're gonna want to keep your hair parted for trying number 8 out, and it's really easy. You're just gonna want to start twisting your hair away from your face like this. Tie it. And do the same thing with this one. So twist it away from your face. So that's it. I really hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Please remember to thumbs it up if you did, and comment down below your favourite one so that I know which kind of hairstyles you guys like. Also remember to subscribe if you're not subscribed already, and I just really hope you guys have a good day. I'm gonna have a great day now that I actually got out of bed. I decided to not be lazy. I filmed a video, I did the hairstyles, I put on makeup, and I got dressed, and I've done my hair. What's going on? What's that noise?
It was at this moment that she knew.
That you'll be coming back.